Hey guys, it's the Tech Kid again, and today we're actually going to be unboxing and reviewing the NS-SPBTWAVE2. So this speaker is actually canceled, and there aren't any more in production. And so actually, if you search it up online, there's going to be another version, but that's a different one with more batteries. So without further ado, let's go.
Okay, so here I have the Insignia NS-SPBTWAVE2. So this is actually, there were two versions of this. There was a discontinued version of this, and there was a normal version. This is actually this discontinued version because I looked it up on Best Buy, and then I had this red thing called discontinued. So without further ado, let's actually take this out of the box, and first let's look around the box. So first, it says portable stereo speaker. It has Bluetooth, 12-hour battery, speakerphone. So there's this side, and so it says, perfect for playing your music on the go. Features: wireless to stream from any Bluetooth device, up to 10 meters or 33 feet for those of you who use the Imperial system. Wow, that's far. Rechargeable battery that lasts up to 12 hours. That's pretty long, but not as long as it beats. Smart speakerphone for hands-free calling, and speaker plays in a vertical or horizontal position. Yeah, we got that. And it says included USB charging cable and the sound guide. So I don't think there's anything else that we need. So without further ado, let's open the box. Out with all of the stupid flaps. Holy balls. Let me take this part. Okay, let me just take this part out of the speaker. So this is the speaker. It's pretty lightweight. You can toss it around. Has a pretty simple interface on the top. On button, volume up, volume down, and call. So we're actually going to be testing this with my phone. And there's just a part of the packaging. So here's another part of the packaging. So it actually came like this. And let me just put it back to show you. This is what it looks like in the box. Let's take that stuff out now. Okay, so we have the speaker down, and so we have the cable, which is in weird fashion, really. So let me just take the twist ties off that. It's honestly a really short cable. So like if this doesn't come charged, I'm just gonna use my Beats cable on this because this can't reach from my power thing because it's like, I think it's just like a float or something. So just toss that to the side. And clips that I buy and one that comes in Spanish. So I'm just gonna put that back in the box. So I'll just put the packaging back in the box. That really didn't get in the box. So here's the. Okay, so there is NS-SPBTWAVE2. This is the one that we just have right here, and so that's actually discontinued. So this is like, I don't think you can buy this anymore. But there's a different version of this, which is basically the same but with a little more battery. So it says package contains Bluetooth speaker, USB cable, and quick setup guide. And then features wireless stream from any Bluetooth device, rechargeable battery lasts up to 12 hours. Beats. Speakerphone up to hands-free calling, and rubber feet support horizontal or vertical position. So rubber feet on the bottom here. Well, they're not rubber feet. There's just one rubber foot on the bottom, and then there's this go like that. So important safety instructions, yada yada yada. I don't care about those. Charging your speaker. Connect small end of the charging cable of the micro USB port onto the back of your speaker. Yeah, I already know all of this. Connecting an audio device, person hold power. Right, Bluetooth device on a YouTube device. Bluetooth device like the NS-SPBTWAVE2, speaker, blah yada yada. And so we all have the necessary information down, which I don't have. There's a call thing. So taking a phone call using your speaker. So reject and phone call and press and hold the phone button, answer, and just press that. Switch between using your speaker and your phone, press and hold that. In current call, press done and whatever. And so just gonna toss that to the side. So let me just focus back to everything again. So I got my phone right here. So I'm just gonna actually pair that to the speaker. The speaker hopefully comes with battery. Ugh. Such a weird noise. I hate that noise so. Oh, this came NS-SPBTWAVE2. Okay, it's connected with a really cringy sound. So let me just go into and get my latest video on. This is the Tech Kid again, and today we're going to be reviewing the top 10 tricks in iOS 13. So here we go. Number 1. So pretty decent audio, honestly. Because you're gonna need to scroll. I'm just featuring my latest video here. Like honestly, this is just a really nice audio and stuff. And then it isn't too tinny. And it actually isn't like
number 2.
And this it's just not it's just like it has the right amount of bass and stuff. Like honestly, it's just really nice.
So then
I would recommend this speaker.
Customize controls.
Oh, what?
Like you can
so like honestly, I would recommend this.
Screen recording, right? It'll come like right here or something.
So I'll
just click a plus on that. It'll look like a red circle.
How's that? And disconnect. So honestly, I would say this is a really nice speaker. Let me just turn it off. Okay. I would say like this is a really nice speaker. Although it only has like thing from one side, I really wish it would be from all sides. Like from all sides. So you can hear it in any orientation like that. But like, so it's like, this is the phone button, blah 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 and stuff. And so honestly, I would say in all, you should buy the other version of this speaker because it has more battery, like 40 hours or something, like the Beats. But like, it's just like the same anything. And so in all, I would recommend this. So like, yeah.
So like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Always, this is the Tech Kid signing off.